Chat. My storage got full, so now we gotta start from here again. So now I got 2 clips, but we're close to the gas station. We ain't make it to the gas station. Almost made it. Hold on, gotta play this back though. My nigga was talking this shit. Y'all gotta listen, y'all ain't really listening.
Cartridge funding.
We still sticked up, nigga. We still Glockied up. Just kidding, guys. I really don't got a Glock.
Coming in from the air like a paratrooper. Fiend just did my oil change to a pair of hoopers. Big bang, Terrence Young, I was in the hood, still
10 speed, and then went on 10 speed. What?
Shit going crazy in the big leagues. Get my now, get the fuck up.
Bitch, leave.
Sipping tuss out the cup, having big dreams. Niggas rockin' granddaddy ass with the big C's. All my niggas racked up like we want settlement. Shut up.
Not the president.
Getting treated like the ex president. My bitch irritating, bringing up all
That's relevant.
European trip. I got my vitamins. Chop hit a nigga crib, got the flow shaking. 6'2" longest dreads on the Zoation. We gon' touch slide, this location. My bitch just like miles, I can't keep up with him. I got a thing from my freak house. Keep it good, I guarantee I'm fucking with the dudes. When it's up, it's a guarantee going up.
No sport, by the way.
Then I cross a couple pair of shoes.
Same player, Valencia.
Bitch ballin' hard like a damn sure swoop. Love coming in from the air like a paratrooper. Fiend just did my oil change for a pair of hoopers. I love the smart bitch, love the tutors, and I love the shooters. The little pop she bragging about.
Damn, 295. I know I could have went somewhere better on what? 295. No, I could have went somewhere better.
To the Ivy League, if that shit trash, bring it down to ICDC. Shit came on off the ground, I never looked low. To get a kitchen with the egg, I'm getting buffed up. Parking hard, get me in the mood for the bus on. Once it's up, niggas know it's stuck. Our trucks on. Beats, big dog status. Niggas couldn't ball if they was Jordan. Quit ball capping. Andy could have been an outfielder the way he ball catching. That many ball dogs, see I had to dumb it down.
Leave the touch, oh.
The porch was in that water.
I'm not gonna tap hole. What? Y'all don't know what that is. That's just a little rug right there. That's just a little ruggy, you know, just calm rug. But yeah, now we gotta get some gas. God damn. And I'm cheap today, so we need that 295 or whatever it was. I know I could have got something cheaper, but damn, yeah, I'm broke. So don't even pay attention. Don't even look up. You know, we broke over here. Yes, I want a receipt. Broke. Yep, we need that 295. Ooh shit. Ooh shit. Oh, didn't I just? I swear I just pressed that. Got me using my fingers and shit. Oh shit, this is technical laws. I ain't know it do that now. Alright, chat, let's get back in here. Niggas could be plotting. You don't need niggas plotting on us. They don't know we got it tucked on us and shit. You know we got it tucked on there. They don't even know. Got something for their guys. Alright, we gotta pay attention though, cause I'm broke. Like I said, it'll take a whole 100 out if it want to. We gonna get that shit. What we gonna get this, chat? We gonna give this bitch we gonna say 22 ball. Fuck it, we gonna give it a 22 ball. We ain't giving it too much. We gonna get out of it a 22 ball. Yep, 21. Right on the money, right there, 22 ball. Do I get my receipt or do I gotta go inside? Alright, alright. Got our receipt. I know he pissed. He like, damn. Just wait, buddy. Just wait. You ain't see nothing yet. See hands free. Make sure y'all good. Good hands free. Yes, sir. Hopefully y'all ain't see my receipt number and shit. Trying to get my money up out of me. I already told y'all I'm broke. Alright, we got a little over half. You know, can't complain about that. Got a little over half. I'm finna head back to the crib. Probably go through a little bit of the trench. Same. What? Lane. Totem SRTs and switches. Totem SRTs and switches. Turn that on too. Shit. Fuck it. It ain't hot here. Come here. I like Villanova though, actually. Same thing. I'm a barber with the switch, nigga. I ain't getting fired. Cheap ass nigga taking the piss off the couch. Let's go on a tree, y'all. Stop playing with my name, bitch. Big beat it dog, Trey Six beat it gang. I ain't spend my whole drink, blame it on the juice, man. Put some drink on that cat, bitch. Gucci this game. Oh, see the one around the top. To me as a man, but y'all bitch had a wildcat. Bitch, went to Villanova. Which charge you? Huh? Put that on my shoulders. The shoulders. Put it with shoulders. Say, but there's something they want it. Try to get what the drones is. Oh, this nigga walking to tell him, homie. Sometimes too, so I ain't going. I'm slime too, so I ain't going. Huh? What do you say? To my toes. Put out of here from your hole. We're going to play it to the flow. Stop throwing on the phone. I gotta stop digging all these hoes. Hanging upside down, dropping dick down in his boat. If I quote, then your hoe, she getting poked. Yeah, swear to God, I'm when Woody died, he be turned up the whole meal. Now you see it, I was getting popped and getting killed. Pouring out pops, whole ace out the seal. Brody wrapped the whip from the track, how I feel. Part of the dude for trying to play in that field. Crib with your pussy as a stain when it's real. Walking shit down there, running shit down there. They know about that, chat. We really get up in this bitch. They don't know nothing about this. They like, damn, they smelling that motherfucker. Really get up in this motherfucker. I don't know nothing about this bitch. This motherfucker really dangerous over here. Now I'm finna scare him. This how you wake him up. They telling out.
Always getting chicken up in Casablanca. I ain't talking about no restaurant. These clothes on rock.
What?
I send the truth to your door like I'm Obama. Who done thought of for 20 years? Silver surfer. I work straight shifts at the bottom. Bitch, I see my text. My bitch, man, she look through my phone like hey, dramatic. I was perfect timing when she leave my main bitch. We set the game. I be shooting shit like Steph. You know I play you too. Bitch, you know you're struggling. I'm walking all the way. It's came to the crib. He dodging through the hallway. It's always people. He lean from like ball playing. Getting white kicks on. But I know I have to work with us. Staying close. Hallelujah, bitch. I never heard of that. Jump over from this bitch to the other. Yeah, I heard of all around with that pass. It look like I got a girl. What that is? That's a speech game. I was finna take down your hoe. But my bitch game. Driving off a head. The most rap had a switch. This game. Bitch, you know ain't shit changed.
What?
He gon' show out. And I pass my brother stick like I blow that first. I'm fucking. I'ma show out.
What? To the 4 out. Whoa. What? Look at those. Them aggressive bitches on me. They're like, damn, what he got in there? Damn. Told them SRTs and switches. They're like, damn, what he got in there? It.
I'm number one, but I'm the shit. I just ran out of lane, so I'm finna argue with my bitch. It's straight 6, Mr. Walking nigga down, hop out the whip. I asked Mr. Clear, where you going? Look, bitch, fuck praying for the lottery, I'm praying for the mail. I'm make her look in the mirror while I nail. Took the soul out of nigga. You don't like some new Chanel's. Think her pussy got some voodoo, cause I swear she can't.
I swear she casting spells, nigga.
Oh God, I ain't a God. Cash for the do that, bro. What the fuck
I see the fan. What, Cindy? I see you, fan. Yeah, I'm like a zombie. Niggas trying to rob me. What? Niggas turn shit up. When I'm starting. Oh, at the party. Yeah, get like that for real. The only thing that's gonna kill me is these motherfucking pills. Hey, bro, where you at? Nigga, I can see him. Got my teeth on this bitch. Nigga, get up in the field. Nigga, they hold me out. He was flexing like the mascot. Then like when they hold me down, I was sad. I crash out. Switches at his dad house. Grab my mind out. Get with that like a flash out. Home in a minute. Finish. Get her bag on. Fast on. Beat him with the asshole. Damn stuck. Nigga, what? I'm just doing that drunk. We're gonna throw him in a blunt. We gonna throw him in a blunt, nigga. My mama, nigga. What? Ain't going off their territory.
When they hit her, it's the dog, it ain't nosebleed. Always double back when I spin, so they nosebleed. Bitch thought this was a debit card, no they don't keep. Bitch super loyal, up top, still in the me. One round 56 popper, yeah the third guy. You ain't gang, back there wide open, no I'm